Let's talk about some of those really stubborn health issues. You know, the ones that you fight every single day, like bad breath or snoring that just won't quit. Today, we're going to dive into a modern fix for these problems, and trust me, it's probably not what you're expecting.
It's so frustrating, right? You do everything you're supposed to, you brush, you floss, the whole routine, but some problems just seem to stick around no matter what. So what if the real source has nothing to do with your teeth, but is actually hiding in plain sight, right at the back of your throat?
Yep, we're talking about your tonsils. I know, you probably only think about them when they're sore, but they are a critical piece of your entire oral health ecosystem. And when they aren't healthy, believe me, the ripple effects can be surprisingly widespread. Okay, so the core of the issue often comes down to something called tonsil crypts. The best way to picture them is like tiny potholes on the surface of your tonsils. Over time, these little crevices trap food particles and bacteria, and they become the perfect breeding ground for infection and, you guessed it, chronic bad breath.
And the impact here is huge. These bacterial hotspots can lead directly to that persistent bad breath, also known as halitosis, that no amount of mouthwash can seem to fix. They can also cause snoring, really mess with your sleep quality, and trigger those painful, recurring tonsil infections that just seem to keep coming back again and again.
For decades, the only real solution was a tonsillectomy. And let's be real, that's a major surgery with a painful recovery that can sideline you for up to 2 weeks. But thankfully, technology has given us a much better way. A minimally invasive laser treatment that's done right in the office and actually preserves your tonsil's important immune function.
This revolutionary solution is called laser tonsil cryptolysis. And it's not just an improvement, it is a complete game changer. It represents a massive leap forward from the old way of dealing with these nagging problems.
So, how in the world does it work? Well, a specialized laser uses focused energy to gently clean out and smooth over those problematic crypts. It eliminates the bacteria and basically resurfaces the tonsil, all while leaving the healthy, infection-fighting tissue totally intact. You get incredible precision without the trauma of traditional surgery. And the whole process is refreshingly straightforward. It all starts with a comprehensive evaluation to get a full picture of your health. From there, the procedure itself is a comfortable 45-minute treatment right in the office. And maybe the best part of all is the rapid recovery that gets you back to your life almost immediately.
Let's just pause on that for a second. A typical recovery of just 1 to 3 days, that's it. When you compare that to the 1 to 2 weeks needed for a traditional tonsillectomy, the difference is just staggering. It's night and day.
And the payoff? It's immediate. Patients often report a dramatic improvement in breath freshness right away. And because you've removed that constant source of bacteria, your overall gum health improves, which makes your daily brushing and flossing way more effective. Now, a revolutionary treatment like this really requires an expert with a unique vision. And in Mansfield, Texas, the practitioner who is pioneering this approach is Dr. Jiyoung Jung.
Dr. Jung is a leader in understanding that deep connection between oral health and your overall health. It's a concept she explored in her viral TEDx talk. Her guiding philosophy is so powerful. Our teeth and our entire oral system are a direct gateway to our total well-being. This treatment is a perfect example of her 3 pillars of well-being philosophy in action. See, it's not just about fixing one symptom. It's about restoring total balance. First, structural balance, by improving your airway. Second, chemical balance, by removing a constant source of infection. And third, emotional balance, because when you boost your confidence and quality of life, your whole body benefits.
So, all of this brings us to the most important question of all. Could this be the right solution for you? Let's take a look at who really stands to benefit the most from this incredible treatment. If you found yourself nodding along as we've talked, if you deal with tonsillitis that keeps coming back, tonsil stones, bad breath that nothing seems to fix, or snoring, then you are very likely an ideal candidate, especially if you're looking for a modern, minimally invasive alternative to major surgery. This leaves us with a final thought. If these issues have been holding you back, just imagine what it would mean to finally resolve them at their source. Are you ready to breathe better, sleep better, and truly live better? If the answer is yes, your next step is to schedule a consultation with Dr. Jiyoung Jung at Central Park Dental and Orthodontics in Mansfield, Texas. We have all the information you need right here to begin that journey. Thanks for watching.